little learners, welcome and namaskar. Today we are going to start chapter number 25, preposition, as well as in my part 2 video I'll be sending chapter number 26, conjunction. बच्चों हमने preposition already read कर लिया है online video lesson में, and I had explained you also. Here also we will be doing preposition revision along with the textbook exercise. Alright, so let's see what is preposition, but before that let us see the learning objective of this. The learning objective of preposition is, at the end of this lesson you will be able to define a preposition, learn preposition that indicate location, direction and time. You will also be able to identify the prepositions in the given sentence. Also, you will also be able to identify the objects of the preposition in the given sentence and use the suitable preposition in the given sentence. Let us read these sentences. The boy is standing in front of the curtain. The girl is standing behind the curtain. The woman is standing after the man. The man is standing before the woman. There is a rainbow over the hills. Dear kids, the red words are preposition. A preposition is a word which is usually placed before a noun or a pronoun to describe its relationship with the other words in the sentence. What is a preposition, dear kids? A preposition is a word which is usually placed before a noun or a pronoun to describe its relationship with other words in the sentence. Understood, dear kids? Let's see what our textbook says. The word in red are prepositions. The word in front of and behind tells us about the position of the boy and the girl in the relationship to the curtain. The word after and before tells us about the position of the man and the woman in relation to each other. The word over tells us about the position of the rainbow in relation to the hills. Understood? So preposition or position word, we can say position word as preposition. They both are the same. Preposition or position words tells us the position of a noun in relation to another words in the sentence, in a sentence. Thus we can say a preposition tells us where a person, thing or place is located. Or we can say preposition also tells us where something happened or where something or somebody does something. A preposition can also indicate direction, from where somebody or something is coming or where somebody or something is going. Understood what is the meaning of preposition? Come, let us do its exercise portion. Turn the page, come to page number 100. Page number 100. Question number 1. Where is the dog? Look at the picture and write the correct preposition from the options below. See, dear kids, they had given us the options here and we have to fill in the blanks over here. See the first one. Dash the canal. Where is the dog? On the canal. Very good. Write it down. O and on. Second one. Dash the canal. Where is the dog here? In the canal. Sorry, near the canal. Write it down. Near the canal. N-E-A-R. Near the canal. Then see the third one. Between the canal. Very good. And then the next is in the canal. Now underline the correct preposition. The picture will help you. Here you have to underline the correct prepositions. See the first one. The airplane is flying over the cloud. The aeroplane is flying over the cloud. So then come to the second one. The bus is behind the car. See the bus? It is behind the car. Now let's see the third one. Alex is working under the tree. See, he is working under the tree. Then fourth one. The ball is in the net. Dear kids, ये सारी एक्सरसाइज हमने हमारी ऑनलाइन वीडियो क्लास में कर ली है लाइव लेक्चर में. Then also we are doing it here because few of the kids were absent. So for their understanding I am repeating this concept. तो जिसको भी ये concept समझ में ना आया हो, please watch this video carefully and understand the concept. Alright? Then come to the next one. The bird is sitting on the elephant. Very good. Then the family is standing in front of the car. See the picture. The family is standing in front of the car. Come to page number 101. Look at the picture. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition from the words given below. There is one extra preposition. See, in this exercise they had given us 6 options, but we have only 5 questions. So they had given 6 options to us. Let's just try to do it. The students are standing in front of the teacher. Very good. The students are standing in front of the teacher. The monkey is sitting on the tree trunk. The monkey is sitting on the tree trunk. देखो monkey ऊपर बैठा है ना tree trunk के. So we will write on the tree trunk. The mangoes are in the basket. अंदर है ना basket के. So we will write the mangoes are in the basket. Then let's see the fourth one. The children are under the umbrellas. See, they are under the umbrellas. The sun is rising between the 2 trees. See, the sun is rising between the 2 trees. So the first answer is in front of. The students are in front of the teacher. The monkey is sitting on the tree trunk. The mangoes are in the basket. The children are under the umbrellas. And the sun is rising between the 2 trees. Let's turn the page. Come to page number 102 for further exercise. In page number 102, question number 4, look at the picture carefully and answer the question with the help of the clues given. One has been done for us. First, let us look at this picture carefully and observe each and everything. Now, let's try to solve the questions. Where are the books? Where are the books? Very good. They are under the television. Now, where is the table? The table is between the sofas. Where is the clock? It is on the wall. Where is the lamp? It is near the sofa. Where is the painting? They are above the sofa. Where is the window? Behind the sofa. See, where is the window? Yes, we can write behind the sofa or we can write behind the lamp. Both are correct. Okay, both are correct. Where is the table? It is between the sofas. Where is the clock? It is on the wall. Where is the lamp? It is near the sofa. Where are the paintings? They are above the sofa. Where is the window? It is behind the sofa or behind the lamp. Now come to page number 103. Now read these sentences. I go to school at 8 a.m. Jim is going to school. Lily just came from school. I brought some flour for you. Mother is standing by the door. There is a bag of apples in the car. I like to have cornflakes with milk. Dear kids, the word at, to, from, for, by, of and with are also preposition. They shows the relationship between two things in a sentence. So let's try to underline the sentences. Are those for me? Are those books for me? For. Very good. For. Underline for. I love playing with my toys. Underline with. An artist paint with a brush. Please underline with. Jan will meet me at 11 a.m. Jan will meet me at 11 a.m. Please underline 88. We are going to watch a movie. Please underline 2. There is a jug of juice on the table. See, noun की place कौन बता रहा है? Of. जैसे juice और table. On और off. नाउन के पहले हम क्या लगाते हैं? preposition. So, juice कहाँ पर है? तो on the table. Position word बताता है ना? This is position word. On is position word. My sister is sat by my mom in the bus. I bought some milk from the grocery store. Please underline from. Now, work in pair activity. Think of any one item in your classroom. Describe its position using a preposition. Follow the example. तो ये एक्टिविटी हमें क्लासरूम में करनी है, बट हम इसके बदले क्लासरूम के बदले वी विल डू इट इन एन इमेजिनरी वे. आपको इमेजिन करना है कि आप क्लासरूम में हो और आपको कोई भी एक आइटम के बारे में, कोई भी एक चीज के बारे में सोचना है, उसकी पोजीशन को डिस्क्राइब करना है एंड मुझे बताना है. अंडरस्टूड? So this activity is your homework. Question number 6 is your homework. Please take and write it down. Homework. The video of this you have to send it to me. Alright? You have to make a small video and send it to me that shows the preposition like blackboard. It is behind the teacher. It is hanging on the wall. Likewise, understood? You can take example of books, table, any of the things like duster, marker, whatever you want to take. Understood? So I hope that you all understood chapter number 25, prepositions. Now be ready for chapter number 26, conjunction. See you in my next video. To be continued. Bye.